So we are here for the summer glow up from Nude by Nature with look 3, the Sunkissed Glam. Now, not all glows have to be shiny, right? So with this look, you'll be glowing, but not shining. Let's get glam. So first up, we're going to pick the perfect primer. Now, we have a few to choose from Nude by Nature. If you are someone who suffers from a little bit more of an oily complexion in the afternoon and don't want to shine in the afternoon, then the Blur and Mattify is perfect for you. Now, here we have a beautiful natural complexion, so we are going to use the Smooth and Nourish. Now, of course, from Nude by Nature, we have no silicone, so they are perfect for the summer glow, but it won't make you shiny. Simply apply like you would a moisturizer. Now, primers create the perfect base for any makeup application, and they make your, especially in summer when it's a bit warmer, if you do lose your makeup in the afternoon, a primer will help to hold on to it all the way throughout the day. Plus, from Nude by Nature, we have nourishing ingredients like green tea and papaya, so it's going to help to calm the skin with antioxidant-rich ingredients as well. So as we're going to use a powder foundation in this amazing glam look, we're going to use the concealer before the foundation. So we are using our anti-aging correcting concealer. Now, I love this formula. It has a beautiful doe foot applicator. As a makeup artist, I love skin to look like skin. So when I'm applying, I will use a brush to blend it in, but just the final bit, I will warm it with the fingers. I find it always gives a really nice skin finish. So you get that even, gorgeous satin coverage. So people who suffer from shine are gonna love this concealer because it is that little bit more matte, great coverage, and you can apply this all over the face wherever you need that little bit of extra help. So with ingredients like coffee seed extract, this can help reduce puffiness around the eyes. It's almost like an espresso shot for our eyes. Now we're going to use the absolute cult favorite, the Natural Mineral Cover. This foundation is an absolute wonder. It goes from a powder and sets more like a liquid, giving you the perfect satin radiant finish that you will just not believe until you try. The easiest way to apply, press down with the brush on the mesh sifter, load up the top of the brush, tap it into the brush so that you can't see it on the end, and then press it into the complexion. You'll notice very quickly that this just builds to the perfect coverage. By pressing it into the skin, you get faster coverage as well. Now, for those of you who do suffer from a little bit more oil in their complexion, this has kale and clay in there, which actually helps to absorb excess oil and shine, and it means that it's going to keep you from being so oily, and it's non-comedogenic, so you're not going to break out or get congestion. This is perfect. So we know that we want to not look shiny, but we still definitely need a little bit of a glow in there. So we have here the Natural Glow Loose Bronzer. I love this formula because it just has beautiful mineral pigments that have a soft, radiant glow. Now I'm going to apply underneath the cheekbones, and then think of the number 3. You can see the color is perfectly blending into the skin. It almost melts into the complexion. It has that beautiful jojoba esters in there. And look at that gorgeous warmth and glow. It looks like you've been in the sun, but no sun damage, which we love. So with a few final additions, we have the most beautiful satin radiant skin, which is going to be perfect for someone who's looking for the glow without the shine. So this is what we would call at Nude by Nature, the Sunkissed Glam. Look 3 of our summer glow up. How do you feel?
Very glam.